Okay, so today's task we'll be doing in the review packet page 15 and 16, numbers 6, 7, 8, and 11. We're going to do 6 and 7 here in the video, and then leave 8 and 11 for you to do on your own and upload your work. So we've got exponential functions here. That's y equals a times b to the x. So we'll fill in the x and the y. So that's negative 4 equals a times b to the 0. And we'll have negative 16 equals a times b squared. So we'll put the equation with the bigger exponent on top. So we'll have negative 16 over negative 4 equals ab squared over ab to the 0. So if we divide those out, we get 4 equals b squared. We'll take the square root, and we get b equals 2. Remember, b should never be a negative number. So if you get a negative number for b, you know something's off. So then sub back into one of the equations. So I'm going to do negative 4 equals a times 2 to the 0. Anything to the 0 is just 1. So 1 times a is just a. So we get a is negative 4. And our equation then is y equals negative 4 times 2 to the x. Remember, with these, put it in a graphs page, do a Control T, see if those 2 points are in your table. For the next one, same idea. We'll work with y equals a times b to the x. Put in the 5 for y equals a times b to the 0. We'll put in the 1.25 equals a times b to the second. The right-hand equation has a bigger exponent, so we'll put that on top. When we divide the left, we'll get either 0.25 or 1/4, however you want to write it. On the right, the a's divide out. Subtract the exponents, we get b squared. We'll take the square root of both sides, and we get 1/2 is b. So then sub that back into one of the equations. If you've got something raised to the 0, that usually makes life easiest, because anything to the 0 is just 1. And then 1 times a would just give us a, so we get a equals 5. So our equation, 0 here, our equation is y equals 5 times 1/2 to the x. Again, type that in a graphs page, do a Control T, see if 0, 5, and 2, 1.25 are in your table. If they are, then you are in good shape. Alright, so see if now you can do on page 15 and 16 numbers 8 and 11, and then upload that work.